cuddly treat. Black and white, a lovely sight, playing all day from morning to night. In the bamboo forest, green and deep, a panda cub, sound asleep, waking up with a yawn and a stretch, ready for adventure from head to toe and neck to neck to neck. Climbing trees so tall and high, eating bamboo, a tasty pie, rolling around a happy sight, playing with friends from morning to night. Swimming in the river, cool and clear, splashing and playing without a fear. Fishing for fish with a bamboo rod, the happy panda loved by all, a cuddly god. Taking a nap under a tree, dreaming of adventures wild and free. Waking up refreshed, ready to play, a friendly panda every single day. Singing a song, a happy tune, dancing and jumping under the moon, a joyful panda full of glee, a friend to all, wild and free. Friendly panda, oh so sweet, cuddling soft, a cuddly treat. Black and white, a lovely sight, playing all day from morning to night. Panda, panda, so sweet and kind, a friend to all of every kind.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe the channel.